Okay, today we're going to replace the burner tubes and igniters on my Viking range, and you're going to take the racks out, the side racks. This bottom deflector, that's how the gas heat is spread throughout the oven evenly. That comes out. Then turn on the igniters just to show that the gas tubes are not working. This bottom kick plate comes off with two screws. It kind of hinges forward. There's two more screws on the bottom that are on slots. I marked the wires with some green tape just so I can kind of track where everything plugs in. There's two screws to take out. That's the retaining clip that holds that gas tube burner in. It'll slide right out after you remove the retaining clip, and then the igniter is fastened onto that with two other screws, and you just take those out to replace the igniter. You can see how after 20 years this gas tube is rusted out. It's a good idea to replace the igniters at the same time. Don't reuse them. I had to go out and buy new igniters as these didn't work anymore. So to shorten the job, just get all the parts at once. Once you get the new igniter on, it just slides back in the way it came out. The retaining clip goes back on the way it came off with two screws. This is a really fast, simple job. There are two burners on this 36-inch Viking oven. And plug the wires back in, and we'll start on the other side. You can unplug the other igniter, take the two screws off, remove the retaining clip, pull the gas tube out. Those are the two screws that you remove on the igniter. See how rusted out these burner tubes are. Again, put new igniters on. There's a picture of the new igniter and how it screws onto the burner tube. Slide right back in. There's a slot in the back that the burner tube goes into to hold it up level. Put that retaining clip back on. Screw it back together, plug the wire in, and you can turn it on to test it. This whole job is about $250 in parts, which can be found on eBay or Amazon. Just put all the racks back in as you took them out, and you'll be ready to bake. This is one of the advantages of working with me as your real estate agent, is I understand how a lot of these things work around your house, and as we go through inspections, I can help give some valuable advice.